I surpassed the 560 mark as far as 560 miles on the bike. So I adjusted this all the way out to where it was basically popping out of here. So the back brake pads had worn down a little bit. So I went ahead and screwed this nut back in here. This is all, you just do it by finger, no big deal. And I went ahead and adjusted my pad back here, but we're going to adjust a little bit more because I'm bad about using that back brake. So now to adjust this, that little piece right there that I'm pointing at, you need to put your Allen wrench down in there. So that means they're going to have to take off the brake caliper in order to get to that on this bike. So in order to do that, I got a bolt here and a bolt here, and now I have to undo. So as you can see there, that's the piece I'm going to have to turn. It's labeled on there which way to turn this. So I've already turned it 2 clicks. We're going to turn it another click, maybe 2, and see how that goes. So once you got your bolts in here, got everything lined back up, you can go ahead and begin to tighten it down. Move this out of the way just a little bit. Now some of these you have to recenter, some don't. So you want to make these tight, but not so tight that you're breaking anything or stripping anything out. And there you go, folks. That's how you do it.